Alright guys, you don't know, today I decided to build a little video. So I have to express myself. You see it, we have a social media platform. Yeah, we just lost my mother. You see me, I say that the most devastating way. You get me, but mentally, but that's some kind of strong, you know what I mean, based on how I deal with the situation so far. So a lot of persons couldn't really build a video this quick and, you know, keep you guys up to date in terms of what's going on, you know what I mean, and stuff like that, you see. But me are the type of person where I keep a lot inside, it affect me more. You get me? So my life, express myself and get certain things out. You see me? Yeah, and you don't know, not because my mother is no longer alive. That no mean say you guys is no longer our family. So you don't know, me still, you see me, still I go build a video. You see me? I don't know, life goes on, you see me. I have to go through with grief and we have to deal with the situation the best we can. But while we are going through with grief and while we are dealing with the situation, we still have to. We have other people that live for, you don't know. Baby mother there, so my father still alive. Younger brother them they the same way. See me, daughter did the same way. So you don't know, life goes on, you know, still have to do what I have to do. You see me, can't really put everything on pause, to be honest. You see me, because if I do that, I want next problem that again, you see me. So yeah, and take out my mother brutally, you know what I mean, and my mother death kind of changed my concept of life in terms of how me pre-life, you see it. In terms of how me usually pre-life, like, when I reach my mother, change up everything. You see it, the thing that me question God, you get me a deal with them thing. I mean, a lot of things me start pray. You get me a deal with, you have a thing where them say karma is a bitch and, you know, karma real and you reap, reap what you sow. You see me, I say you do good follow you, you do bad follow you. And if there is any person, if there is no one on this earth where me couldn't stay so by and say, yo, I'm not swear for nobody. My mother, one of them person there, one of the few person where me can swear for and say, yo, my mother no do nothing to really deserve them death. You see me, I say? She got very embarrassing. People are against, because I mean, the first time somebody sent a picture of my mother to Rush. My mother naked and all of them things there, so me I say, face butter blows up and them picture that they're all over the internet basically. You get me idea? So just imagine where we are going through. You know what I mean? We are going through a lot. You get me? But as me say, life goes on, have to be strong, have to do what we have to do. So me I say, because we have other people we are live for the same way, you see me? So I don't even have much to say, but I'm glad to say a lot of persons send me condolence over on my Instagram page. You don't know. You know, I'm not going to really have the time to really reply to them messages because it's a lot. You see me, it's a crazy message, you see me, so I just want to know, say, I see them still see it. And I appreciate the effort when they take out all the time to really send them messages. And I say, yeah, so I see all of them, but I know I'm not going to reply. I see them. You get me?
Hello?
Yeah, yeah. It's a terrible situation. You see it. I feel some type of way I never feel before. You get me? Because I love my mother. You see me, I say yeah. You see me? Love your mother, you see it. Yeah, you see me, I say, I love your mother. You see me? And you see me, when it comes on to my mother, you see me. I don't have no problem for breakdown. I don't have no problem for cry. You see, you don't know. No problem for shed tears. You see, I don't know my mother that you see me. So I don't have no problem, I don't feel no shame. You see me, I don't feel no way less as a man, less a man. Zane. From me have to cry and I'm not going to cut out this need. As I say, I post it said way. You get me idea with? I post it said way. So me always tell me so me keep it 100 we don't still, you know. From day one, you see me I say nothing no changed. When I realize everything what happened in my life, I appreciate it and I don't. But always I believe it and I laugh and I smile. I say, see, even though my mother passed. I'm not going to shy away from the situation and say, oh, I'm not building a video, I'm not come on camera and come cry. No. I'm not swear man I go through it, you see. So yeah, I express myself. Yeah. And I'm going to know, say, if your mother is alive, you see me and you never know that it's not just your mother, you know what I mean, or your father, anybody. You see me, don't take family for granted. You see me, I say, I can say me or my brother them, we never take my mother for granted. You see it, because we get a close call, you know. My father could have dead, you see me. Father recently do a surgery. Doctor them they give him like a 1% chance to live. You see me, I say, father heart stop beat for like 1 minute, 2 minutes straight, you know. I followed my father forward back from the dead, and you see it. And doctor them write him off and say a miracle no more can save him. You get me idea? So we basically a plan for that funeral. And we stay and did have hope to say it way. Our father pulled through. You see me I say so from them time they will know say never take a loved one for granted. You see it? Yeah, if you have a woman in your life, tell her say you love her every day. You see me I say, cherish your daughter, cherish your son, cherish your brother them. You get me idea with cherish your mother, yo. You see it? Now we understand say you have a lot of mother out there in a way. To be honest, them really difficult and hard to get along with them. You see me I say despite your mother, but always remember say your mother the reason why you depend on earth. I don't feel like there's nothing where your mother can do you. To make you feel like say I go malice your mother or pray your mother in a negative way. See me I say? Because trust me, we can't repay them for them do. Believe me, you see me. So I don't have no guilty conscience towards my mother. You get me idea with? You just me always I go break down because you don't know. We have a lot of plans as brothers, we have a lot of plans for her. You get me? They have a lot of plans for her. And I say, and my mother talk every day and we have big plans. And if you know say it's not like say I sick this stepmother. You get me idea how we're gonna sit down and reason and anticipate the moment when, you know what I mean, she don't go home and could have plan for it. See me I say this is something that just happen out of the blue. I never imagine so my mother would have dead them way. You see me I say? Take somebody take her life, you see it, rape her, abuse her, and for some reason, like it's like I blame myself and guess how I blame myself, you know, because you see, my mother always look towards me for security, you know, to be honest, you know. Mother, you see me, and all our son them, you know. But you see me, Mommy always know say anybody try anything. Because you don't know, things happen in the past and my mother will hide it from me because she say, oh, she don't want to put me in a trouble and she don't want to put me in a trouble. But she always know say anything happen from a link. Me I go, you see me? Make sure I say, yo, take her out of whatever situation she in. And if you know, say, yo, you know, I can just imagine she go through what she go through. And, you know, if you know, say, I never did it to help her. See me, I say, none of her son, them never did it. To help her, you know, and she go through what she go through. You know, all the abuse, all the licking her forehead, everything before she take her last breath. Me just, you know, like, you know, I wish me could have did it. To save her, you get me idea with? Yeah, but, you don't know, unfortunately, you know, when I live with both my parents, you don't know my father there, so, but my mother never live with her, you see me, I say so. You see me, mother live far from where I live, so you know. So basically guys, as I say, probably shouldn't do the video, but as I say, my life express myself, I feel very depressed, I feel some way, my brain feel heavy, like I have to just express myself. The more I cry, the more I talk about it, the better for me, you see it. I have to get certain things off of my chest. See, a lot more things I could say, but I don't know. The police might do them work. You get me idea, I would say, I don't know.